Tell me when.
That's a big bite.
That's sick.
Start out small, start small.
Tell me and so I can restart recording.
Oh,
dude.
Just gonna like
Tell me when, dude. Just make sure you $50. There's 15 bucks.
I'll throw in 5 or 10.
15 bucks.
I've had to race like 3
$15 bucks.
Heck no, it hurts.
Yeah, 15 bucks. No, 50. No, it's 15 bucks.
I'll throw in 10. I'll throw in 10. I don't have it on me though.
I just like want
15 bucks.
Dude, if I don't get 20, we're doing some UFC fighting.
That's way good money, Paul.
He's not gonna do it.
You don't make that much money.
He won't do it.
I'm just gonna
Close it.
Dude, hurry.
Ready?
1, 2. Here we go.
Go, 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 go! Keep going, go, 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 go! Go, man, go! Go, dude, go! Keep going, Paul! You got it, you got it, you got it!
No water, no water.
You got it, you got it!
Open your mouth.
He's got it.
I'm taking it down, boy.
Eat it.
Cute, dude.
Oh my God. I'm gonna puke.
Dude, he's not even half done.
That's just 2 more bites, dude. 2 more bites. You got it.
Halfway done.
This stuff's tough.
You got it, dude.
Dude, that 4th bite is the toughest one.
You got it,
done
though.
this before?
Dude, I'm gonna puke right here.
You got it, buddy.
If he gags, I have nowhere to go.
You got it.
That's what it tastes like.
Let's go on you.
Oh, you know no one paid you $50.
Terry!
You better put that back in the table.
There's me 5 points in that.
Finish it, dude.
You got it, dude. You got it.
I've done this much. Come on.
You've already taken 3 bites. Now it's just nothing. Just down it, dude.
Like, yeah.
Such a big
Mariah and I like
You're
yelling
working like
at
2 minutes.
Now you know how your cat looks.
Oh my god.
That 4th bite, I'm telling you. It's the worst.
1 more, dude. You're done.
Start chanting on that last bite. Last bite. Going down, man.
No, dude. No, dude. No, no. Don't even think about it. Don't think about it.
Come on, man.
I'm going, man. He's got to digest it overnight.
I feel so bad.
Shower this morning, dude. Give him a litter box.
You're good, bro. You're good. You're straight.
That 4th bite.
You're straight, dude. You're straight.
Pizza, dude.
You're straight.
Last bite.
5th bite.
One more. Just 1 more spoonful and you're good.
90% of the time. This is just a little statistic. You throw out 90% of the time.
This is the last bite, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's good. That's good.
Baby. Yeah!
Yeah. Woo! Keep it down. Just swallow, 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 swallow. Swallow it, swallow.
Don't even chew it.
Swallow. You're good. No, no, you're straight. No, dude. I don't want.
Down there, dude. You're cleaned up.
Dude, you can go puke if you want to, dude.
Here's the trash.
Yeah, dude.
No, he's a champ. He can do it.
Good, buddy. No. No, 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 no.
Finish it.
He's done. No, he's done. He's done. He's done.
Alright, if you do 1 more, dude,
Finish your mouth.
$1,000.
Except for that. You were champ.
gotta lick that up.
Now lick it off. No, I'm just kidding.
Go throw it up, man.
Did you know that's made out of animal, that's made out of roadkill?
Finish the entire can.
Don't look at the garbage. Friskies, ate that, dude.
Party tonight, baby!
It's a good way to start the night.